Hey guys, welcome back to me. In this video I'm going to show you how to withdraw ATOK to Trust Wallet, and I'll also show you how you can import ATOK contact address to Trust Wallet. For us to withdraw, the next thing to do is to click on this manage, and if you have not started mining this project, the link will be in the description of this video. Use that link and join. So watch this video from beginning to the end so that you will not miss out any part. And if you are here to subscribe to this channel, please subscribe, like and share, and also join my WhatsApp for more updates. So we want to withdraw our article balance. This is my balance right here, 348 ATOK. So what you are going to do is to click on transfer right here. So here what we need is the recipient address. We are going to copy our address, ATOK address from Trust Wallet. Then you put the amount that you want to withdraw. Note, the minimum withdrawal is 100 ATOK, and there is 10 ATOK fee per transfer. So the minimum you can withdraw is 100, and inside that 100 you are going to pay for ATOK for gas fee. That means you will not be able to receive that 100, you will not receive 90, they will remove it. And because the gas fee is 10%, you cannot withdraw exactly 100, rather you withdraw 110 to be able to pay for the gas fee. Now let's go to Trust Wallet and I will show you how to import the contract address, then we'll continue. So for us to import the contract address, we are going to click on this plus sign top here, tap on it. Then you are also going to click on this plus sign again. You will now see token. We want to import token. We are going to change this Ethereum to Binance Smart Chain. Tap on it because ATOK is under the Binance Smart Chain. Tap on Binance Smart Chain. Right now we are going to paste the address, the contract address. Over here you can now see the name and the symbol and the decimal. So the name is ATOK, the symbol is ATOK, and the decimal is 18. The next thing to do is to click on import. Import ATOK, token ATOK successfully added. So right here you can now see it. If you go back to the home, you can now see it. Scroll down, you will see the ATOK that we just imported under BNB Smart Chain. So we are going to tap on the ATOK. Right here we are going to click on receive. We are going to click on receive to copy our address. Then this is our address, then you copy it. Now let's go back and continue the transaction. So we are going to paste the address that we copied here, long press to paste. Then the amount, if you are sending everything, you click on mass. If you are not sending, you type the amount you want to send. So the fee here is 7.78 ATOK. That means it's not up to 10 because I'm sending the higher amount. Now let's read what they show here. You can transfer ATOK to another account or an external Web3. Withdraw to a Web3 wallet, example Trust Wallet, MetaMask. Limit 1000 ATOK per transfer once per day. Internal transfer to another account, limit 5000 ATOK per day. Minimum withdrawal is 100 ATOK. I have said it, plus 10 ATOK fee per transfer. So this is the instruction, and my gas fee is not up to 10 like they said. So I'm going to click on transfer right here. You will see, how can I collect ATOK? Okay, here they say your ATOK balance is insufficient. How can I collect ATOK? Receive token, complete the mission, play games. Okay, so let me reduce the number of ATOK that I'm withdrawing. So let me click on 100. Then I'll click on transfer. Okay, transaction details. The fee here is 7.78. That is the transaction details. Now, this is the total amount I'm going to receive on my Trust Wallet. Then I'm going to click on confirm. You are going to do a reCAPTCHA, that is to show that you are not a robot. So you are going to tap on I am not a robot. Then you click on verify. Now you need to enter your password to initiate the transaction. Transfer successful. Can you see that my token has reduced? So let's go to the boat. Over here you can now see that minus 107.78 ATOK has been removed from my balance here. So let's go to the boat and I'll check the wallet, to check if it has arrived. So right here I've received the token. Can you see the 100 ATOK? I have received it. Transfer. This is the token that I have transferred from the app to the wallet seamlessly. If you follow this method, you will definitely transfer your ATOK token from your ATOK app to Trust Wallet or MetaMask or Bitget Wallet seamlessly. If you find this video helpful, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Also join my WhatsApp for more updates. Thank you guys and see you guys in my next video.